We are a metalworking company based in Modena, Italy. We mainly do laser cutting, bending, welding, and machining for a lot of industries such as agriculture, automotive, furniture, and naval, among others. We have chosen to expand our storage options. We have 2 modular lift in which we store boxes, low-weight bulk material, and the finished product that we deliver directly to the customer. In addition, we have installed a Modula Pallet for storing Europallets loaded with equipment and components delivered directly from our suppliers. Mainly, it is our equipment, but also tools. In the Modula Pallet, we also store the metal sheets that we later cut ourselves. This has made our processes very efficient, as all our sheets are now stored in one centralized location. Additionally, as I mentioned earlier, we also store finished products that are suitably in terms of dimension and weight. Our production flow is now optimized. We produce, we stock, and on the day of delivery, we proceed with the picking. Everything is tracked, making the process more organized. We store materials that are relatively low in height, under 30 centimeters, including the pallet, and not too heavy. This allows us to utilize the full available height and load more pallets efficiently. Our objective was to reclaim space within our workshop that was being taken up by pallets on the floor. So we repurposed these areas by storing a mix of client materials and equipment. The main focus was on clearing out the production spaces previously occupied by pallets to accommodate new equipment. The convenience of the Modula Pallet lies in its loading and unloading with pallet trucks, which enhances not only safety, since operators no longer need to lift material high but can keep everything on the ground. The decision to acquire the Modula units was driven by the need to clear space to accommodate new production lines. Both Modula's sales and service teams were very helpful as we identified together the best locations for the Modula units to make our processes faster and more flexible. The installation went smoothly as the instructions for preparing the materials were really clear. Both our electrical technicians and installers had the information they needed, and we encountered no problems. The installation time for the Modula lift were quite short, taking just 4 to 5 working days at most. The Modula Pallet, being a more complex and bulkier machine, required about 2 weeks for installation.